Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best self-defense keychains on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is SABRE Pepper Spray. SABRE Pepper Spray has earned its status as an Amazon bestseller and an international favorite. $10 buys you one of the most acclaimed and effective defense tools on sale, with a class-leading range of 10 to 12 feet and a larger capacity than other compact sprays. An ergonomic handle allows for a steady grip, and a safety switch built into the nozzle prevents accidental discharge. In an informative and admittedly comical review, a consumer can attest to the potency of SABRE's formula by allowing his wife to spray him. It's safe to say that these little bottles pack a wallop, and it was truly hell to be tested on. Thank you for your service, Amazon user. That said, such a beloved product still carries some caveats. There's the chance of pepper spray being less effective on a small number of assailants who may be under the influence or simply have a higher pain tolerance. On the other end of the spectrum, you could face trouble yourself after encountering one of the few with an allergic reaction to the formula. At 9 inches total with the quick disconnect keychain, some may also find this item cumbersome to carry if it doesn't live in a bag. Number 2. Our second best pick is Thopeb Self Defense Siren. Thopeb Self Defense Siren is a stellar choice if you're searching for a more passive self-defense keychain. Complete with a strobe light and carbine clip for attaching to oneself, this device is powered by a pair of CR2 batteries and emits a deafening 125 decibel alarm. Its 4-inch length and featherweight design makes carrying it around no problem at all and has been lauded for its multi-purpose use as a home defense item as well as a safety alarm for the elderly and disabled. One consumer even reported its convenience in booby-trapping a yard decor against thieves. While the alarm is undoubtedly loud and can easily be heard in security cam footage, some consumers have reported inconsistent volumes with their products. Whether this was later determined to be because of dying batteries or a manufacturer defect was not disclosed. The strobe light is also a point of concern as it's merely meant to draw attention to the scene, not disorient an attacker. The lack of a dedicated keychain mount other than the alarm trigger also raises concerns over accidental discharge. Number 3. Our third best pick is StatGear Pocket Samurai. StatGear's Pocket Samurai is aptly named for the mini katana aesthetic and a package that can fit beside your house keys. Beyond glorified box cutter status, diehards who insist upon good old-fashioned blades for defense may utilize these in the same manner as a Q-Botan to enhance the effect of jabs to pressure points. It's no gimmicky child's toy either, with a slim aluminum handle complete with a pocket clip for everyday carry as well as a hole for mounting to keychains and lanyards. The 2.1-inch blade is a Tanto design constructed of 440 steel, a durable, high-carbon material found on larger, more expensive knives. Perhaps the most significant knock against the Pocket Samurai is that its minuscule scale could make it awkward to hold. A spiked Q-Botan may serve this role better, but there's no arguing that a steel blade is guaranteed to cause more damage than a dulled spike. It's a polarizing choice for self-defense, but look no further if you're looking into a genuine blade as your defensive keychain. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Semi-Safety Keychain Set. The Semi-Safety Keychain Set is the perfect solution for the majority of consumers looking for a little extra security. Can't decide what to buy? Semi will let you have it all: a flat and Q-Botan, knuckle dusters, a 130 dB alarm, and a safety whistle are included. Additional goodies such as a retractable lanyard, decorative pom-pom, and a window breaker for in-car emergencies are also thrown in for good measure. The latter could also double as a force multiplier in the same manner as the Q-Botan. Each item comes with a keychain ring, so they may be taken individually if a consumer has a specific preference, leaving the other items behind for family or as a backup. It's a reasonably comprehensive kit growing in popularity for the variety of options for not that much coin. However, some may argue that it could include more. Rival kits include pepper spray, which this bundle does not, but said kits are reportedly plagued with quality control issues that the Semi bundle doesn't exhibit. Some consumers may also find a few items to be a smidge too cumbersome on their keychain, but thankfully, having variety allows for other options. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is KSKPP Protection Keychain. The KSKPP Protection Keychain Pack offers a unique alternative to the myriad of pocket knives and pepper sprays currently on sale. Capitalizing on the increasing popularity of self-defense spikes or Cubotins, KSKPP will sell John Wick wannabes, 9 of them, for well below the $20 mark. Each comes in a vivid shade to bring stylish aesthetics to your keychain while still serving as a usable and intimidating method of warding off ne'er-do-wells. The ergonomic grip allows for a tight hold when wielded similarly to a blade and for hammer fist strikes. At the same time, the spiked end dramatically increases the applied force and can deliver devastating blows to soft areas and pressure points. With the proper training, these colorful showpieces can be deceivingly frightening weapons. Ensure that your local region has no issue with using and owning Cubotins. Some countries, such as the UK, have banned spiked variants outright, with blunt end Cubotins still being debated. They're generally legal across the United States but can face minor restrictions at a county level. Additionally, it takes a well-versed hand to deal some damage with a Cubotin, and some users may find it easier with blades or simple pepper sprays. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.